No time, no vlog. I'm so sorry for my voice. This has been 2 months na I don't have a voice and I don't know why. I keep taking meds pero like, I don't really know. I think I really need to get checked up. Pero so yeah, today it's November 28th and it's the second birthday of my twins. Nandito pa ako sa Ormoc. I'll be going home tomorrow with my friends kasi maghahanda kami sa Saturday for the kids. We'll have a birthday celebration. A simple birthday celebration lang naman. Hina, namili ako ng prizes for games para sa birthday party. Hey guys, I'm so tired. Tapos ako maglaba, so sampay na lang. Tapos ako nag-fix ng closet. Nag-uwi na rin ako ng ibang gamit. So ito yung mga pinamili ko. Highlights, sorry. Thank you rin sa kama. Hi birthday girl. Hi guys! Tapos lang exam love. No, dapat it's English. Not
Hi guys, we have diabetes insipidus because I'm thirsty.
Ah, wow! Me, I'm
thirst.
dehydrated, so my urine is dark yellow.
Dapat may entry tanan.
Okay, like kaliwatan natin.
She has UTI because she has painful pipi.
Painful kipi. Ikaw, what's your entry?
Wala nga naka-answer kapag entry mo pa.
Nag-hiking kami. Say hi! Ang tao, ang student nagipit sa chicken skin kumakapit. Hey guys, uwi na kami. Kasi later mag-ayos pa ako sa bahay for birthday party ng kambal. And tomorrow gaganapin yung party and I'm going with my friends. I'm so sorry with my voice. Hindi talaga bumabalik. Hi guys, uwi na kami.
Hi guys, uwi na kami ng Tacloban. Fit check, polo from Ukay. Top from Uniqlo. Shorts from Feby.
Direct na picture pero nag-vlog ka. Good morning!
mag-upay itong...
Ang butain.